Hey guys, and welcome back for another plan with me. This video is requested by one of my Instagram followers, Rebecca. Shout out to you, my friend, I hope you enjoyed this video. Since I felt like I've lost my groove a little bit over the last few weeks, I thought it would be great to kickstart the next one with some Boss Babe stickers. I will also incorporate some stickers from my stash. This bundle contains lots of different sheets of stickers and some of the older sticker books that I've torn apart. So if you want to join me when I go all in Boss Babe, just keep watching. The first thing I do is to always take the pages off of the discs. Since I snatched on pages from 2020 to be able to use the planner right away, I had to cover up the left corner which says August. This I do by simply whiting out the black so it doesn't show through the sticker I choose to put there. You later see that I picked a black sticker, so the whiteout wasn't really necessary, but in other cases the whiteout is your best friend when it comes to hiding black lines and texts. This week I'm going for a black, white and gold spread. There is something about this color combination that just works every time. So what I do as I flip through the sticker book is that I pick out stickers that I want to use and put them on some wax paper. The wax paper takes some of the stickiness off the stickers so that they are easier to pull up if you place them wrong. You can achieve the same effect by placing your sticker on the back of your hand before you put them down on the page. The wax paper trick is a trick that I picked up from According to Ali. That's a girl you should really check out on Instagram and YouTube if you haven't already. What I also like about the wax paper is that you get an overview of the stickers you've chosen, and the planning actually gets easier this way. And of course it wouldn't be a Boss Babe spread without a Boss Babe sticker. I start out by placing this beautiful black and gold foil sticker over the monthly calendar. And of course it never gets straight on the first try. Oh, this starts out really great, you guys. 2 failed stickers. But it gets better, I promise. Anyhow, now I'm placing the box stickers where we have appointments and work. I tend to always put those things in my top box. I had a question about this pen in my last video. It's a Sakura White Gelly Roll pen, the size 10. This pen is also a trick that I picked up from According to Ali. When you use this pen, you have to draw very softly and slow, and make sure that it's all dry before you place any clear stickers on top of it. I have to admit that in this stage of planning I wasn't feeling the spread at all. I just wanted to give up. But I also know that I've often felt this way, and somehow it usually works out in the end, so I just keep going. In my last video I talked a little bit about customizing your stickers, some call it sticker surgery. Since I have a theme that doesn't include pink, I simply cut the little pencils out to get a nice black wording sticker. And now I feel that the spread is just missing something, but I don't know what. So that's why I'm flipping through the sticker book like 1,000 times. I really think that these added lines for notes just takes the spread to the next level. It's kind of functional decoration and I really like the look of it. Now I feel that the sidebar also needed something, so I picked some black boxes from the colorful boxes. These will be great for marking out the most important things to remember and prioritize this week. And woohoo! I put them down straightly. I told you it would get better. So now I'm just finishing off the boxes with some headers. And one last sticky book flip through before we're done. This is the finished spread. It grew on me and now I really like it. I hope you liked it too. I also hope that you enjoyed this video and wishes to join me in my next one. Until next time my friends, have a great day.